Hey babes, what's good? I hope you're doing good because I'm actually doing great. In this vlog, babes, I will be showing you an inspired look from one of my favorite movies that I actually grew up on. I think I was a preteen. Wait, I was actually younger than a preteen, most likely. I remember when I first watched this movie and I couldn't believe what I saw. But all I know is, I am a fan of Beyonce. I love me some Beyonce. I got something going on, you know what I'm saying, with this wig. And I cannot wait to see how this look is going to turn out. So if you want to stay tuned, please stay tuned, babes. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. And I also want to shout out, the people who is subscribing your girl from across the world. I really do appreciate you. So, rep your city in the comments. Lovely outfit that I'm going to wear to be Carmen Brown that Beyonce featured in the movie, which was in the early 2000s. This is a plain white tank top, and I got this from AliExpress. And excuse my nails, y'all, I actually took them off not too long ago. I'm possibly going to get them done. It's going to be another Halloween set, so yeah, whatever. These are the flared out Y2K denim patch early 2000s vibe jeans that I'm going to be wearing, that is flared out like bell bottoms, and the circle loop belts that I also got to go with that outfit. These two items I also got from AliExpress. And the wedges I'm going to wear, I actually got these from a local Goodwills that was in my community, and the brand is Rampage, whatever. But these are the wedges I'm going to wear. I think these are perfect because she actually had on wedges in the movie. And the accessories I'm going to wear is the lovely butterfly earrings. I am so obsessed with butterflies, as y'all can tell. And this is the Leo Gang necklace. These are the accessories that I'm going to be wearing. And I'm so ready to turn into Carmen. This wig is actually like very, very cute. I actually got this wig from AliExpress, which is not hard to guess. I love shopping on AliExpress, you know what I'm saying? And I find a lot of cheap things there. So I got this wig from AliExpress. I believe it was like $30 if I can remember. Yeah, I am like obsessed with this wig. It is like so cute and perfect for who I'm trying to be, which is Carmen Brown. I actually remember this movie when I was much younger. I was just like, whoa, whoa. You know what I'm saying? I really am like feeling this Carmen Brown vibe actually because I really loved her outfit. It was a Y2K vibes, the early 2000 vibes. She had the denim patch bell bottoms, flared out jeans with the wedges and the little loop rhinestone hole belts or whatever. And then she also had like a suede muscle crop top, which was so cute to me, with rhinestones added onto it. And she had like some locks that were like also, twisted somewhat like this with like the micro braids, I believe. Y'all, micros go way back. I totally remember micros. I actually used to get micro braids. I would actually love to have micro braids now. I wish I could have totally had the time to do that, but I've been switching and wearing so much wigs, you know what I'm saying? It's like my third look, which I'm glad I found a wig that resembles like micros or whatever. But yeah, I'm very excited to do this look. And this wig is like a sandy blonde brownish kind of wig. It's not the same exact brown like Beyonce had. It was like more of a darker brown that she had to be Carmen Brown, but this is more of like a ashy blonde, you can say, but it's actually perfect. Foxy Brown on the tizop. Yeah, I love me some Foxy. She's a little early 2000 vibe as well. Also, will not be going over the makeup products that I'm really using or like step by step. If you would love to check out my last makeup tutorial, it is a basic, step by step makeup tutorial if you need that, babe. So check that out. I cannot wait to see. Also, if you have not seen the movie Carmen Brown, I really, really suggest that you go check that movie out because it's one of my favorite movies. And, you know, it's Beyonce, 19 years old when she was in that movie, which is very young. And she was acting, she did like so good. I wasn't going to do eyeshadow at first, but I'm like, nah. I'm really wanting to do like some light basic eyeshadow. I know I have like green in the shoes. I'm really wanting to do like some light green to add to the wet shoes that I had got. It's like really an early 2000s vibe. She really didn't wear any makeup in that movie to be exact. Really, for my eyeshadow babes, like I don't even know what palette I'm going to use. I got all of these because I think I want to use like this tannish brown or whatever brown in this section on this palette. And then like I want to also use this palette. Excuse me, they're a little dirty, y'all. But I see this green right here that I got my eyes on. This is actually the perfect green that I'm looking for. I really just want to add like a small notch of the tannish brown. And not to spoil the movie or anything like that, but Carmen Brown is really top of the top. I really have to say that because Carmen Brown was really just a girl who loved to chase her dreams and she wouldn't let anything get in her way to become that beautiful actress. And I really salute Carmen Brown for that. She had that ambition just of a bad bitch, period. And she wouldn't let anything get up in her way. And it's really also a major life tip as well, like just in general, just to live your life because you never know what, you know, tomorrow brings. So live your life like it's your last period. So that's really what Carmen Brown represent as well. And I really like that type of vibe because, you know, you only have one life, so YOLO. And yes, babes, it is downfalls about Carmen. Her most downfalls was that she, you know, made a guy fall for her and it kind of went downhill. Like, and his name was Hill as well. Like, it went downhill for Hill. He just ended up in a bad position. Also, what I find special about the freaking movie is that it's a hip opera. Like, it's them rapping, like, not singing, it's rapping. Like, it's so different. Messy. I always gotta make this face. Life is really, really short, and Carmen Brown is really reminding us, babes, that you know life is short, and you know you need to do all the things you can while you can. But I wanted to add like some gold, so I'm about to like add some gold. The for real last step is me, excuse me, doing my lips. I actually love the lip liner look. Like, I'm like so away from lipstick and all of that, which I still do love lipstick, but I'm just away from it. Right now, I got the lip liner, my lip gloss. I don't need nothing else. I'm kind of wanting to use a light pink with a dark pink. Look how this go on, y'all. So my lips are somewhat done. Just like a basic little bright pink or whatever. I'm going to take this clip out. I'm going to really finish this other side part of my head. And I do go through and use the Gots to Be freezing spray, and I do spray it. I'm wanting to also use a wander. I'm just seeing how much heat is coming off it. I don't need too much heat, but I really just want to use a wander to kind of pat down the braids a little bit, because I feel like they are like so puffy. Officially done with my hair and makeup. I am going to finally put on my costume. Okay, babes, this is the finishing look. It is so cute. And actually, in the movie, she did not have high-waisted jeans. She had like really, really low rise where they were showing like the butt crack. Okay, like yeah, Y2K all the way. I'm really feeling this outfit. My twist locks came out so cute, even though it took me like 25,000 times to redo them or whatever. And you know, the hair is so thick, it's kind of like rubbing off my freaking eyebrows, y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all see that. But this is like really the vibe right now, you know, because I'm really just all about chasing my dreams, you know what I'm saying? And these brothers be chasing. But nah, Carmen is such a early 2000s classic movie. It's like one of the movies, like first movies Beyonce did or whatever, that a lot of people do not talk about, I guess. But it's really a classic to me. So yeah, I would really love to hear y'all opinion about this look or whatever. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, babes. Mwah.